Hello and welcome to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. Today I wanted to share with you my Asian-inspired chicken skewers. I shared my pictures on my Instagram account about a little over a week ago. It was very festive and beautiful, much like today. I wanted to encourage you and inspire you to get in the kitchen to cook. Now, arranging the chicken skewers can take some time, but I was able to make up for it by using the 90-second rice, which usually cooks for about 2 minutes if I have more than one packet, and comes out perfect. My dish was beautiful, made with love, festive, and delicious. I hope you enjoy and become a part of my family dinners by subscribing if you have not been subscribed already. Be great and enjoy.